Hello all, in this tutorial we are discussing about second chapter in Python, that is nothing but operators. Okay, operators. Okay, in this operators chapter we will try to understand what are all the different operators that we have available in Python. Along with that, let us see what is a, okay, let's start with getting to know like what is an operator. Okay, operator is nothing but in a symbol in Python. Okay, each and every operator is nothing but a symbol in Python, and each and every operator has a specific functionality. Okay, each and every operator will perform a specific operation in Python. So all those operators we will try to understand in this chapter. Okay, in the first in this particular tutorial we are discussing about the first kind of operators. Okay, first kind of operators are nothing but arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operators. Okay, in arithmetic operators mainly we have these operators. Okay, we have mainly 7 operators available with respect to arithmetic operators. Okay, first operator is nothing but addition. Okay, first operator is nothing but addition, that is nothing but plus. Okay, plus is the operator which was used to perform addition in Python. Okay, second one is nothing but subtraction. Subtraction we can do with the help of this minus operator. Okay, now third one is nothing but multiplication. Okay, multiplication we can perform by using this star. Okay, by using this star, or we can say, we can call this as an hashtag. Okay, by using this hashtag or star we can perform multiplication in Python. Now coming to the fourth one. Okay, fourth one is nothing but division. Okay, to perform, okay, to perform division between numbers we will use this slash. Okay, we will use this slash to perform the division operator. Now coming to the next one, next operator is the modulo operator. Okay, next operator is nothing but modulo operator. So modulo operator we can denote. Okay, we can denote with this percentile symbol. Okay, with this percentile symbol we can denote the modulo operator. So what this modulo operator will do means, it, okay, in between two numbers, if they divide, okay, if two numbers are divided, then what will be the remainder among them? Okay, what will be the remainder that will be returned by this modular operator. Okay, now next thing is nothing but a float division. Okay, in Python, okay, in Python we have two kinds of divisions. Okay, one is the division and the other one is the float division. Okay, in normal division return type is always floating point. Okay, in normal division return type is always floating point, but in float division, okay, but in float division return type is always integer. Okay, return type is always integer. Let us see how we can differentiate these two. And the last operator which we have to discuss in this tutorial is nothing but exponent operator. Okay, exponent operator, or else we can call this as power operator. Okay, we can call this as exponent operator or power operator. Power is nothing but power of something, right? Like suppose I want to calculate 2 power 10 or 3 power 7, something like that. To calculate the power, okay, we will use this symbol called as double star. Okay, for double star is nothing but power operator in Python. Okay, let us see, let us use all these operators one by one in the IDLE. With a few examples we will try to understand how this will work. Okay, let me open the IDLE now. Suppose if this is the IDLE, now first operator which we are discussing is nothing but plus. Okay, plus with plus what we will do? We will do addition with plus. Okay, now let me take two variables called as a value is nothing but 10 and b value is nothing but 20. Now what I have created? I have created two variables called as a with the value 10 and b with the value 20. Now let me apply the addition between these two. Okay, a plus b, obviously 10 plus 20 is okay, 10 plus 20 is 30. That's very simple. Okay, this is very basic operator which we uses both in mathematics along with the programming languages also. So 10 plus 20 is obviously 30. So in this way we can, okay, we can find out the addition of two numbers by using this addition operator in Python. Okay, let's see with one more example. Suppose my left operand is something like a 222 and right operand is something like 333. Then if I if I add these two numbers, obviously my output will be 555. So let's see. Yeah, so in this way we can do addition of two numbers. Okay, not only two numbers, addition of any numbers in Python by using this plus operator. Okay, let me move to the next operator, that is nothing but minus. Okay, minus will be used. Okay, minus will be used to subtract, okay, to subtract two numbers, not only two numbers, any numbers, okay, any number of numbers. So again, my a value is 10 and b value is 20. If I perform this subtraction between a and b, what will be my output? 10 minus 20, okay. 10 minus 20 is obviously minus 10, okay, obviously minus 10. So in this way we can perform the subtraction between two numbers using subtraction operator, okay. See, now let me explain with one more example. 222 minus 333, so obviously output will be minus 111. So in this way we can find the subtraction of two numbers in Python by using the minus operator. Now next thing is nothing but, okay, next thing is nothing but multiplication. Multiplication in Python we can do by using this hashtag, okay. Hashtag is the symbol which was used to to multiply two numbers, okay. The operation which I am performing here is, okay, operation which I am performing here is nothing but multiplication, okay. With the help of multiplication I can multiply any numbers, okay. Now let me take my a value is 10 again and b value is 20. Now if I want to calculate the product of a and b, okay, if I want to calculate the product of a and b by using this star operator, okay, by using this star operator we can calculate the product of two numbers. So here a value is 10 and b value is 20. So what is the product of a and b? Obviously 10 into 20 is 200, okay. So in this way we can find the product of two numbers. Let me explain with one more example. Suppose my left operand is 11 and right operand is also 11. So 11 into 11 is what? Obviously it is nothing but 121. So in this way we can calculate the multiplication by using this hashtag operator in Python, okay. Let us move to the next operator, that is nothing but division, okay. That is nothing but division operator. For division we use we use this symbol called as slash, okay. By using this slash symbol we can perform the division in Python. So okay, the operation name is division, okay, division. Now a value is 10 and b value is 20. So if I divide a and b, okay, if I divide a and b, what will be my output here? In this case to 0.5, okay. What will be my output? It is 0.5, okay. Now think that my left operand value is 10 and right operand value is 2, okay. 10 by 2, in this case what will be the output? 5, okay. 5 will be the output. But since we are using, okay, since we are doing normal division, okay, since we are doing normal division, output is, okay, return type is always floating point. So in this case output is not 5, okay, it is 5.0, okay. Output is not only 5, it is 5.0. Why? Because division, okay, division operator always, okay, division operator always returns the value as a floating point number, okay. Now I hope all of you understand this division operator as well. Let us move to the next operator, that is nothing but modulo, okay. Modulo is nothing but percentile, okay. By using this percentile symbol we can perform the modulo operation in Python. So basically what does it will do? When we divide two numbers, okay, when we divide two numbers there will be a remainder, right? That remainder, okay, there will be a remainder when we divide two numbers. That remainder will be returned by this modulo operator. Now if I divide 5 with 2, okay, if I divide 5 with 2, what is the remainder? Obviously 1, right? So how to calculate the remainder of 2, okay, remainder between these two? By using this percentile symbol, okay. By using this percentile symbol we can calculate the remainder. So what is the remainder when I divide 5 with 2? Obviously 1. So in this way we can find out the remainder by using the modulo operator, okay. Now my value is 4, and if I am dividing 4 with 2, what will be my remainder? Here in this case 2 is exactly divisible by 4, so obviously my remainder value will be 0. So in this way, by using this modulo operator we can find out the remainders of two numbers, okay, remainder when we divide two numbers easily, okay. I hope all of you understand this modulo operator. Let me take you to the next operator, that is nothing but float division, okay. Yes, float division. A value is 10 and b value is 20, okay. If I do float division among a and b, what happens? In this case 10 by 20 is what? Okay, 10 by 20 is what? 0.5. But since a float division will always return the integer, output will be 0 only. Okay, output will be 0 only. See, now let me do the same thing. Okay, let me do the same thing with some other numbers. Okay, if I'm doing 5 double slash 2, actually it is 2.5. Okay, it should be 2.5. Since it is float division, it will return only the integer part, so output will be 2. Now if I'm dividing 10 double slash 3, okay, it will output will be only 3. Okay, actually it is 3.33, but what happens is, since it is float division, it will return only the integer part. Okay, so in this way, okay, in this way we can do the float division in Python. I hope all of you understand the difference between division and float division. Okay, division, okay, division always returns division always returns floating point number, but float division always returns integer. Okay, that is the main difference between the normal division and the float division. Let us, okay, now let us move to the last operator, that is nothing but power operator. Okay, that is nothing but power operator. Okay, now power operator will always denotes with the symbol called as double star. Okay, it is nothing but power operator. Okay, now with this we can find okay, power of anything. Okay, you now if I want to find the 2 power 3, okay, 2 power 3 is all what, 2 into 2 into 2, which is nothing but 8. So output is nothing but 8. Now same thing if I am doing for 2 power 9. 2 power 9 is 512. Okay, 2 power 9 value is 512. So 512 will be my output. Now same way, if I want to get the 3 power 3, then 3 into 3, okay, 3 cube it is. 3 cube is what? 27. Okay, so one last example we will see. Okay, now 4 power 3. Okay, 4 power 3 is what? 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 into 4 is 16 and 16 into 4 is 64. So 4 cube value is 64. In this way, we, with the help of this power operator, we can find, okay, we can find the power of anything in Python very easily. I hope all of you understand all these 7 operators, okay, 7 arithmetic operators in Python. So okay, I hope all of you understand. Thank you so much. Bye.